Well, hi folks, today I'm making a few of these little salt jars. As you can see, they're just a small pot, like bulbous pot, and then you just flatten them onto a table so they dry like so, and then you can keep your salt in a little spoon, whatever. So just get on and make a few of these, and I'll show you how we flatten them the next day. Quite a small pot, only about a pound of clay. Quite a simple shape really. So as usual, I'm just going to be making a cylinder. I'll leave it a little bit thick at the rim, so I don't really want a dead thin rim. So just lift up and leave a bit of a slightly thicker part like that. Then, because I want them as round as possible, I'm just going to push right in at the base. I'll completely round them off tomorrow when I turn them, just to get it started. And then basically, I'm going to stretch it out to get it as sort of round as possible. And just making the rim over like that. So dead easy shape today. So that's the sort of shape. Like I said, tomorrow I'll round it off completely, and then I'll roll it about so it's completely round at the bottom before I squash them onto the table. So I'll just do another one of those, and then tomorrow I'll show you how we turn them and show you how easy it is to flatten them. That's a couple of those done. So like I said, tomorrow when they're dried out a little bit, I'll just show you how we turn them and then round the bottom off, and then finally flatten them onto the table so that they can sit flat. Well, hi folks, these little salt pots have dried a little bit now. The next day, so what I'll do, I'll just show you how we turn them, round the bottom off. So I'm just going to go right under with me turning tool, try and get it as close to being round as possible. I'm just going to put a couple of grooves in there. A little band of colour. then we'll cut this off. I'll show you what it's like on the bottom now. It's almost rounded, but what you can do is, if you just put your hand inside and roll it around like that, then you can almost get it completely round. So it just looks a little bit better, that's all. So I'll do a few of these. I'll just do a couple of these and then I'll show you how we flatten them. So again, I'm just going to get as much off at the bottom as I can like that. Just put a couple of grooves in. Little band of colour. Cut it off and then roll it about. So you get it nice and rounded like that. So I'll just show you how we flatten them. Right then folks, I've got these turned now, so it's just a matter of flattening them. Now if you're lucky and they're soft enough, you can do this and they stay, but sometimes you just need to give them a little bit of a squash. But like I said, sometimes when they're soft enough, like that, you can just throw them down at the right angle, and then they'll dry like that with a nice flat bottom. So that's how we make the little flattened salt pots. Dead easy to do. Dead simple pot, but quite effective, I think, really. So there we go folks, that's just a few little salt pots.